This is what 500,000 naira got me from Nigeria. I recently had a family friend of mine who just returned back to Canada, and I asked for some foodstuff. And the most important thing I asked for was tons of fishes and tons of crayfish. Then you can get other stuff. Um, the fishes were about 40 pieces. Yeah. And then I asked for a box of Nor cubes, like the full carton. Yeah, because, and I really asked for the chicken flavor. And then the Maggie crayfish. Love using this for my stew. Gives so much flavor to the stew. You're welcome. This is Madam Excellence. If you're new, you are so welcome. Kindly follow for more content, like and share and subscribe. Yeah, more Maggie, more no cubes. Why do we call this thing Maggie? Like we see that it's not cube and we call it Maggie. So funny. Yeah, more Maggie. No cubes rather. Did the person do well? I mean, they were told that things are super expensive now. And then I got some custard. This is really necessary in the winter. My kids love this custard when there's so much cold. We just have this one. And then the peak milk, bought about 4 packs. I wish it was the bigger ones, but I can't complain. And then for my crayfish, I got a bag of crayfish. I was told that as I went this, my friend, this family friend got the crayfish, it was about 120K. Yeah, sometimes it fluctuates. And then this crayfish was so many. This thing can last me for a year. Yeah. I'll be giving out some. It's too much. Like these bags were many. These little bags of crayfish. We did it at home. We dried it and we blended it. Yeah, so many crayfish. Like it's so much. I kept on piling and piling, taking from the bag and piling it up. Yeah, I'll just give out some. This thing would last me for a year at least, for if I can get back home again or someone gets back home again. And then I got ching ching. Yeah, I love snacking on this. My kids love it too. Lots of ching ching. Just keep it and be snacking on it. Yeah, I think this is a box or half a box. I'm not too sure. I don't know. I don't know how to do it. And then I got afang, dried and shredded, shredded and dried. Yeah, I love my afang. Afang leaves. All I need to do is just blend it and cook it. And then I got aditan. When I'm not eating afang, I love to eat aditan. Lovely leaf. And it's medicinal as well. Lots of bags of editan as well. And then, yeah, more editan. More. And then I got lemongrass. This is just to cleanse my system. It's nothing like your medicine, Nigerian medicine. And moringa tea. Whoa, this tea. Yeah. And then egusi soup. This is my egusi. I'm not a big fan of egusi, but I just got it. My husband loves egusi, so whatever. Guava leaves. Yeah, guava leaves and the soursop leaves. All this is for tea. Just drink it. And then bitter leaf. Yep. In case I want to cook my egusi soup, I put a little of bitter leaf or my okra soup. and then stockfish. I think this is 2 big stockfish fishes. I had this stockfish now. Okay, and then got this stock head. I wish it was the bigger ones. Yeah, but we'll do what we gotta do. We manage it that way. And then gari. Yeah, the white gari. It was made from home. Yeah, not too much, but we thank God. And then the bitter cola, very medicinal as well. I always have this at home. My dad always kept this around. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like, share, follow, subscribe. Thank you so much. This is Madam Excellence. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye. You are loved.